Hey, friends. So we're back this week with a really special episode for you around mental health, being mindful of who we are as a person, as a human. And it's a really impactful one, I know, for Rice and for me as well. And so Rice and I are on a mission to launch, build, and scale AI-enabled companies that make real impact. And I think today you're going to see a very, very powerful one that Rice and the team created in a relatively short amount of time, but with a big purpose and why behind it. And that, friends, is our Mindful Me mental health solution that the team has created. I want to introduce you and take you through that today. So, Rice, good to see you again, brother. I'm on the travel mode today, so I'm in Hotel De La America somewhere, and great to see you.
Hey man. Yeah, also happy to be back. And yeah, as you give from the introduction, we will be talking about our mindful AI system. And before I start showing you guys, I think mental health is very important because it's about your emotional, social well-being, and it affects how you think and feel, and also how you act. So we were thinking like as a business, business has like sometimes these depression movements for people, and let's create something that connects also in business and helps people to be having a better life. So let me share my screen and show
Rice,
you
on that
guys
point, while you're sharing,
what we have created. It's
I think it's so powerful that what you said, because it's not only just as a human being is it applicable, but in our businesses for our employees, it's so powerful as well, because any business leader out there knows how hard it is from an organizational perspective. And every employee is going through different stuff, and being able to meet that employee where they are is key number one to building an effective organization. So there it is. Take it away.
Yeah, that's correct. That's totally correct. And as you guys see, so the system will be going live after this podcast because we will first wanted to share it with you guys before it goes live on beta version. That means in the coming 2 4 weeks, it will be free to use. Everyone can use it. Even after that time, we will still have a free version, which is limitations, and we will have like packages which you can use and purchase for your well-being. So as you can see over here, this is the website. I must say that we use like colors that impact the mental health. Like I know when people are stressed, some colors don't show like the right colors and get the person like excess stress, but use colors that can relax them. So everyone that goes to this website will have this option to click how you feel today. We have inside the website, we have like meditation guidance, we have mood tracking, we have journal, we have wellness resources. So if we go to the meditate section, you will see that we will have different type of meditation like deep breathing. We will have also inside the deep breathing, we will have you give you the option if you like to connect like a song that you like, or we will have our own database of songs that you can use them and choose them and do the meditation. You see, you have different type of meditation. The people who are already doing it, they already know. So it's up to you. Like if you need like sleep meditation, you click on the sleep meditation, and the song will play and give you like a better way to sleep and to relax yourself. And we have also the journal. So what happens here is you can write your prompt. So what made you smile today? Or you can use another prompt. What is something that you're looking for? So this section counts for having like daily feedback on your well-being, your mental health AI well-being, so that it's get tracked in the system, and you get like from the system weekly based, monthly based, you get like a report to show and to see how your mental health is improving, or maybe you need some extra attention in it. And in case you want to add something in it, just let me know, because as I'm presenting, I don't have like your screen in front of me,
No, I love
so
it.
I'm
I
just
so
seeing that you're presenting.
I think the reason this is so important nowadays, especially, is because the world is so full of distraction, comparison, and just stuff that we see every day on social media as we're scrolling around. And so we find ourselves in a position where I'm not as good as that person, or I don't feel worthy enough for that thing, or I have anxiety out the wazoo. And I think oftentimes it helps to just journal and to expel all of those things out of the mind in a very structured, formatted way, alongside a partner that is mindful of your
Yeah,
wellness and that helps you get through some of these things. And so I think it's more important than ever. And you see that. I mean, right now, mental health is a huge problem in the world, and it's only getting more and more and more, and we're only getting more and more distracted. So very timely product to launch into the market. So I'm pumped for Team Unisupports for having done this.
yeah, man. And also we have like we created a resource center where there will be different type of articles about meditation, also some videos and some other tools. Like we have our stress trigger identifier, like to find out what is stressing you. Also, we have some activity cards, some self-care planning guide. So there will be more information added to it. At this stage, we are having some talks with some counselors and some medical people, like to add more features inside it. And as I was saying, the track one. So every day you go, you add your mood, you add what you're thinking, how you're feeling. It gets tracked. So you can see over here, it gives you like a full chart. It gives you your best days, your bad days, and your average mood number. And also, you will see that if your mood is improving or not. And yes, this is the packages that we have, but we have not like no pricing yet for it. We're just leaving it like this. Because at some certain point, as you can see over here, you will have the option to register. Once more, even you register, you don't take a package, you still can use the system. And if you want to have like these extra features inside it, like you want to have like one-on-ones with counselors, you want to have extra things like these packages has, then you can like purchase them. So it will always be free because we say that our mission is not only to build businesses to create money, but our main mission also is in life to help people. It may be on mental side, it may be on other side of development where we can help them. But we're trying to give back to the community, and that is why we created this system. So, guys, if everything goes well today and we put it online, you can find the link on our unisupports.com website. You will have like this top there written product companies and or service companies. This is one of our product companies. So from there you can go to the website, and I would say there will be at the end below a section here that will place about feedback. So that feedback is for us. Maybe you are someone who is dealing with mental health issues and you see something that would maybe benefit you or will help your mental health to make some progress. Please add it there as a suggestion or a comment or a feedback to us so that we can take it back with our team and we can also try and add it for you in this website. So Andy, how do you think? Do you think that's something that that is? I think it's needed, right? To have the feedback of the mental, maybe help people also having issues with their health.
Oh, 100%. I mean, otherwise we're building in a silo, right? And that's a takeaway for any venture builder who's on this video, because I know we have a lot, is don't build in silo. Encourage feedback, good, bad, or ugly. Feedback is great, and it helps you kind of learn, build. And we always say start with your customer. And our customer in the Mindful Me app is you. It's everyone. It's anybody from a consumer to a business leader who wants to put something helpful inside their businesses, because man, there's nothing more rewarding than helping someone unleash their superpower. Right? I know autism is a big thing on
Yes.
your strength, right? And I think it's a big thing for you. And I think it's just there's no bigger reward than helping someone find their superpower and live their best life. And that's why we do entrepreneurship. That's why this is so key to us, and that's why this one has such a big purpose, and I love it so much because it's, we always say people, purpose, and process, and this one fits people and purpose huge with this internal process part of it. And so I'm really curious to see where this one goes, man. I think it's going to be a fun one to build. I'm excited for the launch later
Yes.
today. I'm excited to share it with our community, our friends, our fellow entrepreneurs, just to get feedback. And I'm excited to use it, man. I've tried meditation. And I kind of weave and bob a little bit with it, but I haven't figured out the best thing for me. And I know there's other apps that do just meditation, but I haven't seen an app that allows someone
Yes.
to come and do everything, right? From meditation to tracking through journaling, through resources that can help you external to this app. And then also, just being able to download your fears, your frustrations, your limits somewhere so that you can move forward without those fears, limits, and frustrations. And I think it checks all the boxes. So I'm pumped as a venture studio owner alongside yourself to launch this. I'm pumped as a human being to try to make bigger impact in the market. I'm pumped as an entrepreneur to see products get launched. And I'm pumped for feedback because we learn and we grow from that.
Yeah, no, that's totally true. And also, I want to add also to this that there will be like at the first start of the website when you open it, you will have like a bot. I didn't activate the bot yet because I just turned it off. But you will have the bot that will pop up, and the reason why we place that a bot, we, as you know, the world is changing. Everyone is creating AI agents. So we were thinking, why not create a mental health AI agent that could help you as a human being to talk with you, because some people need someone just to talk with. And after that, we have for you also available then in a later stage when it goes after the beta version live. We have available also the counselors, people that are trained to help you and to assist you with your mental health issues. And I would advise companies to use this type of platform, if not from us, anyone that you have in mind, use it for your employees, to have your employees tracking their mood, tracking their mental health tracking, because we see that the world is changing and we don't have like a lot of attention for depression in people anymore. So I would say this is for everyone, from for children till adults. Everyone can use this, and we are like waiting for you guys feedback on this. So let us know your feedback so that yeah, we can change, update anything that you have in mind or you want to see change in the system.
Rice, I'll tell you maybe something to end on is a very powerful three word phrase that I heard years ago and has always stuck with me is never suffer alone. Never suffer alone. And I think we
Yes.
have to get those people and those tools around us that can help us never suffer alone. I think that's so powerful. And it's just been a powerful reminder to me that to encourage me not to be in a bubble and get reclusive, because when we have problems, mental, all this stuff, we often go internal and there's an opportunity to go external and let our light shine. And I think that's what you brought to the market today. And congratulations, friend. Full Unisports team for getting this launched so
Yes, man,
quickly
and
and
let's
so thoroughly.
yeah, let's make it something globally for every country in the world, and also at some certain time we will have also the website in different languages. So it goes on a German market, they will have like a German version. The Dutch market will have a Dutch version. So yeah,
Love it.
let's build great things, man.
Let's build great things. All right, friend. Great work. See everyone next week.
Yes, thank you. See you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like.